There's a good chance your systems are wide open right now. You got a nice home, nice furniture, a good TV, great neighborhood, but there is a problem. There are no locks on the doors. You're basically waiting for the wrong person to walk in and do whatever they want. You'd never like that, right? A house without no lock is insane. But that's exactly what's happening with a lot of systems. And it may be happening to yours right now. The difference, in this case, is not a person checking if your door is open. It's machines scanning the internet 24/7, looking for vulnerable systems. And if your plan is, I'm too small for anyone to care, you already have a problem. That's exactly who they target. The good news, this isn't hard to fix. Today, I'm going to show you the API gateway. To show how does it work, I create a small endpoint. You can see that I create get health and should return status OK. Going to my Postman, every time that I hit send, I have the response OK. Even if I go to any browser, I can try to access this root, /health, and the result should be exactly the same. There is no security, it's available to anybody. We are going to use Apisix to fix that. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to create a consumer. Consumer is someone that is going to access our endpoint. For that, I'm going to give a name, and I'm going to select basic authentication, but we could select any other kind of authentication, like JWT or OpenID, doesn't matter. Just to make it simple, let's start with basic authentication. I'm going to enable, put a username, Veridata, and password, Veridata as well. This is just for learning. I'm not using this password, the username in my systems. You can try, you're not going to be able to enter. And I just gonna submit. Right now, I'm gonna go to my routes, and the one that I'm trying to implement some security is this dev agent. I'm gonna configure it, and I'm gonna go to the plugin section. I will name basic authentication, submit, next, and submit. Right now, if I return back to my Postman and try to access it, you can see that I have the message that is missing authorization and request. If I go to my browser, the message should be exactly the same. What I have to do right now, I have to go to the authorization and select basic authorization and add the username and password that we just created. Status OK. If I go to my browser and add username and password that we just created, the status is OK. As you can see, we just add for all endpoints for this URL, a username and password. This is how pretty easy and fast you can secure your systems. Stop doing by hand what your system should do for you. That's what Veridata builds.